The procedure for draining the pig launcher at the marine terminal will be simulated in this video. The pig launcher is commonly drained to insert a pig. Pipeline inspection gauges or scrapers are often referred to as pigs, and the tasks are associated with monitoring for internal corrosion, separating batches, and scrubbing the internal portions of the pipeline. Reference the marine terminal, local procedures, as this video does not replace the document. Tasks associated with the procedure require company operator qualifications. Obtain tools for the job consisting of non-sparking pry bars and wrenches. Ensure the launcher door and locking pin seals are available. Communicate with Control Center and complete any permits as well as a JSEA. Post a copy of the procedure checklist at the job site. To begin the drain down process, locate flow valve 108. Verify the valve is fully closed by checking the valve position indicator and bump closed if needed. FV108 is operated through a hydraulic actuator. Therefore, the control valve handles must be locked and tagged closed local with the appropriate devices. Next, locate FV107. Engage the actuator to close the valve. Then lock tag valve with controls in the local position. Depending on the actuator limit settings, the valve may need to be hand cranked additionally to properly seat the valve. Next, locate the equalizing line for FV108. Add the lockout and tag in the closed position. Gauge the maintenance oil tank and verify level with SCADA. Document findings in the logbook. In the switchgear, find the trend chart on SCADA for the maintenance oil tank to monitor the level increase and stabilization during the pig launcher drain down. The pig launcher will be drained by opening the drain valve located above the skid between FV108 and the launcher door. Take note of any pressure in the launcher, then open the drain valve. Completely open, then place lock and tag. Verify the pig trap pressure on local gauge reads 0. At this point, confirm that there are no active hot work permits on the pumping platform, as the next steps involve venting the pipeline. Open the launcher vent valve from FV107 referred to as the kicker line. Complete documentation on lockout card. Monitor levels for the maintenance oil tank from the gauging port and from SCADA. Expect a 3-inch rise in the tank for a complete drain down. Once maintenance oil tank has stabilized with no increase for 10 to 15 minutes, the next steps involve gauging the launcher. Gauging the launcher is a crucial step to ensure the pig launcher has been properly drained. Use the gauging port located at the top of the launcher to verify it is empty. The next step would be to open the pig trap door. It is best practice to load the pig into the tray before opening the door. Discuss wind direction and make appropriate precautions to monitor H2S levels. Consider using air packs or respirators while opening the trap door. Connect a pneumatic air hose to the hydraulic pump installed next to the launcher. This will supply hydraulic pressure to open the closure device at the launcher door. Loosen the closure device's locking pin and retaining fixture. Engage the hydraulic pump to release the closure device. Inspect the retaining fixture to ensure it is free while closure device retracts. Use the brass pry bars to separate the door from the launcher at the seam. Continue to pry the door to enable it to swing open from the hanger. Once door is opened, secure it to the left side with a rope. Use a water supply to wash residuals to the drain in order to minimize vapors from crude oil. Leave both the pig launcher's drain and vent valves open while opening the door and loading a pig. This concludes the drain down process for the Marine Terminal Pig Launcher. Check out other videos on loading, filling, and launching.